Cassius music coingies.
Bakufika abantu la bazofuna ungizwa samtshela ukuthi akekho mpaka lokho washo umlilo.
Ngifonela usinqomo kathi uFlot.
Now use-Cape Town.
Use-Cape Town.
You know, that's pretty fucking ironic. You guys stepping on our flag over there and slipping in by the back door, pouring into our country to come and take advantage of the land of milk and honey. Huh? Ay, ay, ay.
30 June umnqamla juqu 30 June umnqamla juqu wokuhamba kwa wonke umuntu okufika la eSouth Africa ongahambanga sesiyoqala phansi ke sixoxe ukuthi kuyoxoxwa kanjani
Yo, amaSomalia ayafa chu amaSomalia ayafa amaSomalia. Yo aphumile yo haya.
Those ladies who are married to foreign nationals and there is no spousal relationship, they can come to the office so that we can deal with such matters, so that we can cancel those visas.
We have led the fight against illegal immigration every step of the way. We are partnering with organizations like March and March and Operation Dodula so that the fight against illegal immigration is waged in our country until we win that battle.
Yabo mina kube ngwangaphandle ngoba kuxoshwa abantu kanje ayi mina bengizonikhipha lokho bengizoniqaqa upende mina hawu ngeke mina bengizonikhipha upende mina yabo mina bengizonikhipha upende ngimkhipha ukwazi bengizovuka ekseni namhlanje ngithatha isikhwama sami ngihambele ngiyele ngakithi ngihlala unyawo wonke uzophela ngilaye nje ngaloko ngilwisana nami ngihlala ngakithi ngize ngibuye ngonyawo za usuku olulodwa bengithatha impahla zami ezasala ngihamba ngahamba ngaphinde ngibuye.
Welcome back to our channel. We have this new video that we have prepared for you. As you know that we're gonna just keep on updating you. We're just gonna be dropping videos every week so that you know what is happening currently here in Johannesburg, South Africa. So I don't know how true is it, the house that is burning in the beginning of the video, but we'll find out soon. When I was seeing the clip of the video of the house burning, in my mind, the first thoughts that came to my mind was like, no, this is not Ngizu's house. Because I know Ngizu's house. I've seen it several times in the videos that he used to post, So I know his house. So in my mind, I was like, nah, that's not Ngizu's house. But at the same time, you'll never know because of other people, they have more than one house, So, njengendoda mawindoda yomZulu mosithatha before uthi kwami la usuka ekhaya somewhere. So in my mind I was like mhlambi kubo, yeah, but we're gonna see these clips that I've prepared for you guys, taken from different platforms, from different accounts. So to those people that owns these videos, I just wanna say big ups guys for doing a good job, for taking content like this one. And then Lana a compilation so that we show all the movement that is taking place in South Africa. So we don't want to be judged. It's not like we are promoting this channel. Okwamanje, we're not promoting this channel. We're just also fighting in our corners and saying maba habe.
Nisaphika yini ukuthi la South Africa sidayisiwe. Sidayiswe ngalendlela yokuthi sengibonile ukuthi kulama ama political parties makuthiwa usuka kwe-ANC uyovula iqembu lakho is because ngoba nawe ufuna kahle ukukhokhelwa. Yazi into engiyibonile kule march and march ngibuke into empilweni yakhe engaze ngiyibone. Yabona le march le khona abafana ngibone enye into mina. Ngibone enye into ngalendlela exakile. Right? Kunama video kune video engisazoyiveza. Kunama video asensitive esiwabonile thina kumashwa kule march lena adi recent. Right? ngifuna ukukhuluma kakhulu ngabantu abalida imarch and march. Njoba nina la kuma comment nikhuluma umsuzo nethi nina Jessica Phakela Mthakathi ufele emntwini uXolani nabanye ama members alida le march. Manithi nina laba bantu laba sebefakile imali ephaketheni asibathembi engathi ukuthi kukhulu kahle kahle naba abakwaziyo noma basifaka eweni. Okay, ake ngibuzeke. Ubani umuntu ongariska ngempilo yakhe ayeke zonke izinto azenzayo alide abantu aba close to 10,000 more ahambe emgwaqweni azashelwe yizi ngimbone kahle ngisho uPhakela Mthakathi ezecishe ekhala wingi embisi ukuthi asikho kahle kahle yena mayithi akekho safety nathi asikho safety lutho asikho safety la sihamba khona asikho safety. Alright sik manithi nina oPhakela Mthakathi no Jessica no Fela Mntweni no Xolani ake ngibuze nje ugovernment wethu useke wayofika endaweni la kuhlupheka khona abantu wabona ukuthi nena kunjani. Ugovernment wethu useke wahamba ngeenyawo yazo waqimba wajuluka nje ngempela ejulukulela le country le ngoba le country lena wayinikezwa njenge plate nje kwathiwa nali breakfast nayi supper nayi lunch. Yabo laba bantu fethu they love our country. We are uthandi, we are black, you are white, we are Indian, we are colored, we are Pedi, we are Sotho, you are Banban, Xhosa, Banban. God to those guys, they love our country. I'm telling you. Even our government doesn't love this country. It's all about money. It's all about money, sharing the money amongst them. We are fools, it's in a faith. How come our government ayingaboni ukuthi these foreigners and kuzokwaphuthukwa ngisho ivideo kuthiwa yena lama countries angaphandle njengoba bezela eSouth Africa banikeza ugovernment imali engango 5 million noma 5 billion. That's why they're opening a tax shop so quickly ngendlela exakile. Wena we are still struggling ukuvula nje car wash, sivula ama salons sivule in, but them it's very easy ukuthi bavule kusasa bathi bavula car wash, bavula salon, bavula ukuthi nokuthi. Because ugovernment wethu akakhethwanga ithina wafaka abantu abamhlophe ukuthi azocindezela thina khulu. Ngubona kathi nize nisho lithi nina government ozongena la. Lo government ozongena la ingoba unemali urich vele. Ngeke kahle kahle sitshotshele. He's making worse. Ibo government usasilela kuphi nje lokho zaMcyril. UCyril kuphi lapha sitwele khona sithi uyalwa ke njengamanje ulwela i-country yakhe. Upetrol uyanyuka, i-tax iyanyuka, ukudla kuyanyuka, kunyuka yonke fucking shit. Yonke iyanyuka. Diesel u35 diesel. Kule country lena ebheda kanjeni. Ama province onke o9 agcwele ama foreign arana amalokho zama shops left and right. Because thina silinda ugovernment thina. Manithi kahle kahle oJessica oPhakela Mthakathi ofele emntwini oXolani amaqoki iliphi iqoke elikhulu kugovernment wethu mawuqhathanisa bonke labantu aba organize abantu buka nje fethi imarch ikwazi ukusuka lana ihambe epoint avundolela ama drugs kamalini ugovernment wethu yipi into ayenzile akwazi ukusave kuyona noma ukujima yakulama countries amanye afike yocela khona ifunding khona ezo benefits abona yadutshulwana kumathenda left and right bayafa bafowethu babulalalana yona le mali le abathenjiswa kona ukuthi nibafethu asibisene into kubantu abamnyama siyabulalana utelekwa left and right education sekushoda khona amaphosi ukuthi ateleke ngoba bavumeli ukuteleka amalokhoza amasosha yatelekwa nakhona left and right i-country njani lena fethu ugovernment ongaboni ukuthi nena it's a lawlessness lelo khoza le country le. That's a bullshit country this one. How can you invite i-crime engaka kumuntu asuke lapha asuka khona owayibulala abantu khona ifana le yamalwalweni leya. Lo muntu lona wahamba lokozeni ngakubo for 12 years. 12 years hambile kubo wazotholakala ku social media. Wenzani la eSouth Africa? Wenzani eSouth Africa ebulala abantu? government efayisi government lona ufakwa abelungu ukuthi uzocindezela thina. Asinalutho nje namhlanje because of this government. Education, home affairs. Angikhulumi la home affairs. Those are bullshit. Uyazi ukuthi ukunotice ukuthi izinto ezenziwa ugovernment ama private companies iwona asethatha imisebenzi ka government. Ama ID, driver's license, ukuthelela imoto. Ama bank aseyazenza because our government is failing. Namfaka uCyril ngesizathu sokuthi ubusinessman. What type of business yena ayilethela kubantu? In fact uyena no rich kakhulu. Into nje enyenzayo manje sifica noma nesiqwaye emoteni niyasibopha. Kodwa khona abantu abaphethe ama drugs awetha 2 million, awetha 20 million. Kodwa thina mawufica isiqwayi la noma imvubu lana uyaboshwa ukuthi usiphatheleni lesi sikhali lesi. Sizama ukuyivikela ngoba asikho safety. Lento lena ufika kuma roadblock lapha izobophelwa i drink and drive nize nishuthe nenziwa kodwa nihlula ukushutha nazi izinto. Ama Nigerian adayisa ama drugs we country in. Mase kufika lokho mase kufika ke manje ke ubani kuzofika umalema masethe asivulena amabhoda. Uwavula kanjani amabhoda kunje? South Africa belong to Africa. What type of shit is that? That's bullshit leyo nto leyo. Yes. That's bullshit leyo nto leyo. Man sahlula ukucontrola nini. Lo government lona ubekwa ngayithini? Ubekwa abantu abamhlophe kufanele bebenefit. Ngisho ama South African lawa dayisa fethu ama drugs. Ngiye ngithi mina ngwasoli ngoba awukwazi ukuthi ungaba khona izayizayi elisuka le kude lize la phela 3 months umuntu usihamba ngemoto usiya benefita usegrand senemali thatha izingane zethu la hambe nazo emaclubini ayophuza usitshwala ayishiye kanjalo. Convincing ama South African ukuthi we can do this. That's why sesixabana sodwa. That's why sixabana lodwa ngoba imali involved phakathi. Bafethu, let's wake up. La bantu abazo destroya iSouth Africa bayishiye kanjalo. Bazo destroya iSouth Africa kungabi bikho sizofana kahle kahle thina neMozambique. Sihlupheka impilo yethu yonke nezingane zethu. Asingayivumi lento. Bafethu, la abantu fethu ophakela umthakathi badinga isupport yethu. O Jessica badinga support yethu, ofele emntweni badinga support yethu, oXolani badinga support yethu. Ake siyeke ukumbana ukuthi mina ngoba ngiyixhosa ngoba ngiyizulu noma ngiyipedi noma ngimhlophe noma ngiyindiyani yonke lento lena fanele siyenze ngokubambisana sisonke. Ayikho ilokhuza lapha ilokhuza race lapha. Let's work together and fight our country. Let's deport these people. They are not coming here to have fun la. Bazo destroy what we have. Thank you.
Yes, well said, my brother. My brother has mentioned a lot of good points. I just want to jump into the ANC one. Yes, guys, ANC has been failing us. I don't know how many times, but people keep on voting for it. Especially Abo Gokubete Maka, they keep on voting for ANC. It's not working for South Africa. It's not helping. ANC is not helping South Africa. ANC is not working for South Africa. For example, he mentions several points. I mean, I just want to jump into our president point. Here's Mr. Palapala. He's on the news. He's supposed to be impeached to go to court. Our president. He's supposed to go to court. You know for what? For hiding foreign currencies. Coaching. Just imagine. Just if you didn't know this story and then hearing it from me saying it the way I'm saying it. The president is gonna be going to court for his own criminal cases of hiding foreign currencies in his sofas. Our president recently was in Zimbabwe. we see him with the president of Zimbabwe going to the president of Zimbabwe's farm, looking for his farm, how he does things, while South Africans are fighting against illegal foreigners. He's there having fun. He even left his team behind. He said the trip is for personal. So meaning he didn't go with his team as a president. So it was just a personal trip for him, for him and his businesses. While South Africans are on the street fighting every day for illegal foreigners, we have not had anything positive from the president, except that no, there shouldn't be violence in South Africa. We must not fight our African brothers. You know, there has to be law. There has to be law at the end of the day. Forget about fighting and everything. What are you doing as a president to make sure that South Africans are benefiting for being South Africa? South Africans are safe as South Africans in their country. What is it that President Ramaphosa is doing? Nothing. I love Julius Malema. I've said it over and over again in my previous videos. I posted the guy also in my platform several times of his videos, but it disappointed me a lot in a way that thank God I never voted for EFF. I was probably going to in future, but I will never, because you don't understand the guy. We don't know where he's standing. It was Julius Malema. He's also going through cases. He comes and speaks to the public as if he's our hero, he's our black hero, so we must listen to him. And then when during times like this, whereby we need heroes like him, but he always fights against South Africans. He always defends illegal foreigners. So what kind of a leader is he? So I'm disappointed in Julius Malema and everyone that votes for EFF, by the way, because you guys have been so vocal on social media platforms, insulting people that are trying to wake you up, saying, guys, EFF is not for South Africans. Clearly, it's not for South Africans, but it's for Africans. So if we're having South African problems, we should forget about EFF. Let's keep going.
Kodwa singamaZimbabwean siyakunanzelela yini ukuthi osomabhizimusi laba balama company abayibo abaqhatsha abantu eSouth Africa ibona abasixabanisa lama South Africans. Siyakunanzelela kodwa khona lokho. Guys, lesi statement lesi sokuthi South Africans are lazy, I don't think ukuthi siliqiniso mina. Some South Africans, guys, they are extremely hard workers. Into abalayo njengoba beselizweni labo bale option yokuthi ama conditions womsebenzi maye ngasafeva into abayifuna, bale option yokuthi bangayuyeka lo msebenzi kodwa baqhubeke beziphilela. And kuyafana lathi lapha eZimbabwe. Lapha manje ngiseZimbabwe, manje ngisebenza ngingabona ukuthi la engisebenza khona akusahambelani lami, ngile option ukuthi ngingayeka lo msebenzi kodwa ngikhontinue ngiphila. Why? Because mawuselizweni lakho uyakhona ukuyeka umsebenzi, mawungabona ukuthi impilo edorobheni sikuhlula, uyakhona ukuya emakhaya kuma rural areas, uyezihlalela emakhaya lapho ongasoze ukhokhe khona irent. Uyabona? But ma ungekho elizweni lakho, lese uya eZimbabwe in South Africa, awula option. Even bekuholela imali encane, uzobekezela usebenza because wena impilo yakho irely kuphi emalini. Because you need money to pay rent, you need money to buy food, everything oyenza ifuna imali. Uyabo? So awula option even uholela imali encane uzohlala usebenza lapho. So ama South Africans, guys, bayabele certain amount of salary abayifunayo. Uyabo? Bathi bafuna imali ethile, but laba bantu abayibo abaqhashayo abanikazi bama company, mama South African ngathi funa imali ethile bangaboycott imsebenzi, bona abasafuna ukunyusela ama South Africans salary. Sebesenza kanjani? Sebe replace ama South Africans ngabantu aba desperate abayithi thina ama Zimbabweans and other foreign nationals abase South Africa. Sebe ba replace because thina si desperate, asilayo ioption, because we need money yokuthi sikwazi ukuhlala, because if ungasebenzi the next thing ngizodubeka ngizohlala estradeni ngizolamba. Uyabona into enjalo? So lento ngicatshangiswa kini, guys, mina ngithe ngiqeda isikolo ngeke ngasebenza. Yabo, ngeke ngasebenza lami. And ngithe ngisebenze for 2 months kwenye company, ngasuka ngasebenza kwenye company futhi for 2 months. Ngiyekile leyo msebenzi. Why? Because ama conditions angikhona abengayifave into mina engiyifunayo. Bembona ukuthi no, lapha ngiyancindezela. Okwenze ngachiya because bende option ukuthi even if ngingasebenzi I can still survive. because ma ukuthi sokundlula kwedolobheni ngiyaziyele ekhaya ngezihlala lapha engakhokhi khona irent engikwazi khona ukuthi ukudla asiyo yonke into esivuka sithenga ukudla siyadla kodwa okunye sekhona siyasingakuthenganga yayibona into enjalo. So okwenza ukuthi ama South African kubukeke as if they are lazy yile nto yokuthi bona bayabe le mali abayifunayo ukuthi kumele bayihole, then umqhathi bese sithi angeke aza ikhiphe. Why? Because umqhathi ule option yokuthi if ungafuna ukusebenza ungafuna ukuhola le mali I can opt to futhi ngiyethatha umuntu o desperate oli foreigner ngimfake la emsebenzini wakho. Osokusenza ukuthi ama South Africans akwade azonda bese sithi no laba abantu basithathela imisebenzi. Yayibona into enjalo. So abantu abayiba abasixabanisa yilaba abantu abangafuni ukulandela into efunwa ngabanikazi belizwe. Ngoba ngakuthiwa abaqhathi balandela into efunwa ngama South Africans. Liyakwazi ukuthi guys vele le friction le ngaka yikho le. Ngoba most of ama South Africans nga asemsebenzini bayasebenza bebhadala imali abayifunayo. Then thina sibe sikuthi sichela nje okuyimisebenzi oku useless. Ngoba ongayibheka akula lizwe vele lingela ama foreign nationals. Ungakubo UK uye ku America kuphi, but most of imisebenzi lana ebhadala kahle bayifilile abanikazi belizwe. Then thina sichela imvuthu ungabheka most of ama Zimbabweans ase UK, most of them ngama caregivers ngabantu abagcina abantu abadala. Uyabona imisebenzi lana eyisekileyo awusoze uthola iZimbabwean uzothiwa bebhuthwali sebenza e-restaurant or whatsoever, bangaba khona abasebenza khona but most of them bangama caregivers. Liyayibona into enjalo. So asikunanzelele nini singawathatha sibili siwathi ama South Africans bayahlanya this and that ba too vocal or but asikunanzelele ukuthi into yonke isukela ngapi. Ngabantu laba bayanakwa especially endabeni yona leyo ukuthi bona bafuna malini emsebenzini abasebenza khona. Ngaka sikho kule yonke le drama lokho esikhona kini. Laba abantu abalungisise ngaka uyavuma uhulumende wase South Africa ayilungisise indaba le yokuthi abantu laba kabaholela imali abayifunayo. Maye sebenza e-restaurant kabaholela imali abayifunayo. Ba addressele into zabo zonke izikhala zabo ba addressele. Udizobona ukuxabana lokho kuzoyideda kancane.
Well said, my brother. I respect people who understands what South Africans are going through. But you should have started by asking your brothers and sisters that are here to go home before this long story. But it makes sense. It's exactly what is happening here in South Africa. We're having this problem whereby companies are willing to go for cheap labor, whereby hiring illegal foreigners because of they don't have a choice, they don't choose. So they can just tell you, do this, I'll give you this amount. But as a South African, it will be difficult because you know the law, you know rules, you know a lot of things, you know. So yeah, it's at least making sense. But I wish this video of him speaking was actually telling his brothers and sisters to go home before he did. Because they said on the 30th of June, we're not gonna.
Ayikho indawo ngaya kuyona noma isikolo ngaya kusona uyofunda ngeintelligence. Abantu abahlala nezigebengu yithi umphakathi. So it's us that we know. So singenile namaphoyisa wasebenza kahle kakhulu. Yes. Futhi asihlalanga isikhathi eside nje kube into yamasinyana. Yes. So
those ladies who are married to foreign nationals and there is no spousal relationship, they can come to the office so that we can deal with such matters, so that we can cancel those visas. Because you'll find these guys who are selling drugs, they are married to South African citizens, and there are no spousal relationships. So when we arrest these guys who's having drugs, then the lady will come to us and say, this is my husband.
We have led the fight against illegal immigration every step of the way. We are partnering with organizations like March and March and Operation Dodula so that the fight against illegal immigration is waged in our country until we win that battle. And we have proposed an amendment to the constitution of our country to say that South Africa cannot belong to all who live in it. South Africa must belong to South Africans.
Yeah, that's all guys say. That's all guys. What are you talking for? Detective will talk to him that there's a case open already. For what? Case open against him. umuntu uzofaka isigqoko sepolitiki noma isikipha sepolitiki asifuneki ngoba lapha siyinkatha siyi-ANC siyi-UDM siyi-COSATU siwuyo wonke umuntu ngaphandle kwe-EFF emhlathonini so manje siyi-MK lapha siyinkatha lapha siyi-NFP lapha siyi-ANC siyiyo yonke sonke sifuna into efanayo thina sizinsizwa sizongena kwipolitiki mase siseyindaweni zethu niyezwa ingane zakithi hayi kuseyinsizweni-ke lapha kunqengwana because amungacabanga ukuthi uzokwenza into ngekani
Phela umthakathi sewakubona uyaphi wena
Sawubona Malawi nyamba Malawi
indaba manje uhamba
abasifuna MK bathi dudula
hambani ngekini nina nisiqedele umsebenzi nje
siyahamba mina
hambani
angithathe intombi zabantu angithathe izintombi zabantu
awuthathi nentombi zabantu
awasiza abantu
hambani
uzomba esikhathini lapho
hayi mina phela ngola eSouth Africa
la iyo amasomalia ayafa juwa amasomalia ayafa amasomalia yo aphumile yo hayi kubi man kubi Tavovo sungena Tavovo sungena Switch go Tamaribo sungena Tamaribo
Cassius umusic koengis.
Bakufika abantu la bazofuna ungizwa samtshela ukuthi akekho mpaka lokho washo umlilo
ade ngifonela usinqomo kathi uFlot
na useCape Town
useCape Town
hayi yinke webole kodwa ingasho le yinto le ngalapha
baseNigeria ningakhohlwa ebhanoyini nilayisha intombi zenu nilayisha ingane zenu nilayisha ama-drugs zenu hambani nakho konke nje okwenu angifuni nibuyela nithi kunento zenu enayishiya la eSouth Africa hambani
ukuhamba kwamazayizayi akungafakelwa muntu incindezi ofuna elikhulu obenikeza ugirlfriend allowance yo-5,000 oberentelwa lapha emafletini eThekwini ahambe nabo ukuthi amazayizayi lawa abantu bangaphandle bebenibheja ngemali abasekho bayahamba akusho ukuthi sala wena usale lezo zinto usuyaqala manje usuyifuna kulabantu laba bala eSouth Africa asinayo imali eSouth Africa asinayo imali.
So I'm gonna cut this video here. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe so that each and every time where we give you a video like this, you get to know what is happening here in South Africa. My name is Pepelo Telezit and thanks for watching.